Hi, it's Gracie with WTI. If your child loves trains, then you guys need to check out this wooden train set from Kipipol. My nephew's absolute best friend in the whole wide world is Thomas the Train. He takes it everywhere he goes. So the very first thing I liked about this train set was that it was compatible with not only Thomas the Train, but also with other major brands as well. So this was very important to me. These wooden tracks easily connect within each other, and I like that these tracks have a nice and smooth texture, so we didn't have to worry about any sharp edges or any splinters while playing. Building this set was so much fun, not only for our little guy, but also for us adults. It was definitely quality bonding time. It comes with everything to make this set really come alive, from magnetic trains to different types of vehicles, road signs, a police officer, a conductor, trees and bushes, little fish with a magnetic fishing pole, and so much more. So it really is a full hands-on activity for your child. They can create the tracks in different setups, so this can really help their little imaginations and creativity skills to grow. He honestly picks playing with this set over watching TV, so we know that he really and truly enjoys it. And it keeps him busy for hours, so it really is a win-win for both your child and you. My nephew absolutely loves this train set, and I'm sure your child will too, but that's just my point of view.